Hello all my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. In this very video, I'm going to show you how you can use relative strength index or RSI. So just stick with me until the very end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. With that said, let's dive into the video. So first of all, you come here on technical indicators, you click here. Then after you put RSI, then you click on it. So after launching it, this is how RSI looks like. This is how RSI looks like. RSI has just simple tricks that you have to understand. There is overbought and oversold. RSI moves with the momentum of the price. So you have to understand that. So when you put back the candles on and how they move, whenever the RSI goes above the 70 line, then you have to sell, and when it goes below 30%, then you have to buy. But how does that one work? So first of all, after putting your RSI, you have to first set it. You'll come here on RSI, just down here, then you click on settings. After putting the settings, there is inputs, there is terms and visibility. There is upper limit, this one, there is lower limit. In most cases, with lower and upper limits in styles, there is 70. If you set 70, then this is the standard ones. When you set 70, then set 30 as the lower. When you set 80, then set 20 as the lower. When you set 90 like this, then set the lower as 10. That's how RSI is supposed to be done. So this is how you set it. So when you see that this is the standard, let me put back the 70 and the 30 because that is the standard one. After setting, then you can even set the colors, the smooth moving average. So when you want to put the length means the days or the period, whatever the case that you have to use. Sometimes you can change up to maybe 10 or 11. It depends whatever that you wish to use. So when you move on a smoothing line, in smooth line there is SMA, that is small moving average. Then there is exponential moving average. There is WMA. So it depends. Whenever you set this one, then it will use the standard lines of EMA or whatever that you select. It will use that standard ones. But for us, let us use maybe 12. We have basically 4 things that you have to understand when it comes to RSI. One is overbought and another one is oversold. Whenever the price goes above this line of 70, then this one is called overbought. This one and this one. All of these ones, they are called overbought, and you are advised to sell immediately so that you can enter when the market goes down. When the market goes down below this line of 30 smooth line, that means that you are supposed to buy, because it means that people have oversold and now you have to enter the market so that you can move. So as you can see from here, when it went in oversold, the market went from this one up to this very far. So when you consider from here, if at all you entered the market from here, by the time to reach above this one, you would have already made 35% in the BTC, and automatically that is a lot, and that is huge amount whenever you have traded that one. So that is it. With RSI, we mainly consider 2 things: overbought and oversold. With oversold down here, you enter the market. With overbought, you sell and you wait for the best time to enter the market. So sometimes, to me, when I'm trading, I use the horizontal line like this. I put it exactly on 50 in between here, so that when the market goes down this 50%, then I sell, and when it goes above the 50%, that's when I enter the market. In case it has not reached on 50% or on 70%, so I use this middle line, and as you can see that whenever it reaches on that middle line, it tends to move sideways. The market moves in a sideways form. So that's how I trade using RSI. Another way on how you can trade RSI, it is the bullish divergence and bearish divergence. With divergence, here there is a divergence like this. So when you come here, there is a divergence like this, So when you see this divergence, automatically this one, it means that it is going to be bullish. And when you are trading such a divergence, it means that when this one moves like this and this one moves like this, this one like this, it must make at least a triangle. That's what is called a divergence. Whenever it doesn't make like that, that means it is a bearish divergence. So whenever you see a divergence like this one moves on a lower highs, and this one making a higher lows like this, that one automatically is a bearish sign. So you have to quit the market as soon as possible. So automatically this RSI, that's how you can use it. It is as simple as that. You have to use it whenever there is a divergence. Automatically you enter the market, depending. And actually RSI divergence, it's very rare when you are trading, but once you confirm it, automatically you will make a lot of money using divergence, because it is a very strong signal when you're trading. So those are 4 things that you have to master in RSI. There is, when the market goes above 70%, then you have to quit the market and wait for the best alternative or the best confirmation so that you can enter the market. And when the market goes down below 30%, then you have to enter the market as soon as possible so that you can make a lot of money in oversold. Another thing that you have to master, it is divergences. There is bearish divergence and bullish divergence. So when you master those ones, that means you will have mastered RSI on how to use it. And another thing that you have to understand, RSI moves from 0 up to 100%. So when you're trading, you have to understand that the market goes up to 100% from 0%. So it depends when you want to enter the market and how you have set it automatically. As I told you earlier, that you set your RSI. So that's all for today. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. With that said, bye.